Bring the green screen and background footage into the timeline. Now head over to the Effects tab on top of the screen and click on it. Type Ultra Key in the search bar. Drag and drop this effect onto the clip. Scroll down to Key Color option in Effects Control Panel and click on the eyedropper tool next to it. Now pick the green color which is there in the clip, and it's done. Now bring the background footage onto the timeline and make sure that it is below the green screen clip in the timeline. Adjust the scale and position of your footage as per your liking.